Hi, what's up, Steeler XLM holder? What's going on? In last 7 days, you can see here minus 4.85%. The price will fails down, and when holders are see this, definitely they will decide that this is selling time. But absolutely, sometime my friends they will doing very huge mistakes. So don't worry, my friend. Every channel will guide you, update you. Just and only you will need my friends to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, this time you can see here the Polygon price 1.41 USD dollar, but the price were fails down to 1.2 USD dollar. It's a very big difference, my friend, in the prices. Absolutely, they were lost now, but don't worry, my friend. Sometime they were fails down, and after that they will take a very huge pump. So therefore, I am going to explain, my friends, to upcoming time. There is a chance so they will pumps up or they will fails down more and more. But first of all, my friends, they will need a prediction. So kindly, I am going to predicate this coin. Just and only focus. My friend, first of all, you can see here I draw the steel this three lines, my friend, as you can see here, and my friend, absolutely these three lines is just an only, my friend, you can see here the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the second line is the resistance line, and the third line is touch the lowest point. So my friend, absolutely they will moving in these first lines, my friend, you can see here they will moving in this first line. So definitely they will completely on the profit, but if they were fails down from resistance line, so they are in the loss. So therefore in the last point, as you can see here, they were fails down, so therefore the change occurring is completely negative, minus 4.85%. But I am 100% sure to after, you can see here, after this jump they were fails down, so therefore I am 100% sure to after this fails they will also take a very huge jump. So therefore I hope, my friends, they will hit the resistance line and get a profit. But you will need now, my friends, to hold down. If you are starting holding, so I hope, my friends, they will get a profit. But if you are starting selling, so this is impossible to they will get a profit. So try to understand, holder, please hold down. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Polygon holders. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you want to get a profit, don't forget to subscribe this channel.